The Malco 7-in-1 C-Rex Flip Bit series lineup is expanding, introducing 3 new models with updated socket sizes, delivering the same trusted performance trade pros count on. This impact-rated 7-in-1 multi-tool is a top pick on job sites everywhere. The 3 C-Rex hex drivers are cleanable, reversible, stackable, and comes in 6 sizes. Each model also features a unique integrated driver head for even more versatility. Choose from T25, No. 2 Phillips, or No. 2 Robertson. Say goodbye to screw wobble, slipping, and tip out with a secure, precise fit every time. Thanks to its ultra-powerful magnet, your fasteners stay in place, making every task smoother and faster. Use with all brands of fasteners, or pair it with Malco zip-in or bit tip fasteners for the ultimate fastening system. With secure socket storage on the shaft, you've got all the sizes you need, stacked up and ready to go for your next quick task or project.